saying, hey!
Welcome back to Fixin Frenzy. Today I will be reviewing this 2-in-1 hair curling iron. I kept seeing this pop up on my Instagram and Facebook feed, and I'm like, totes need that in my life. So I'm gonna put a link below. I will be looking this way because I have my mirror over here. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Eli! Yay!
Guys, my mom is in the kitchen. She's right next to me. And I'm gonna be recording something else on my phone. But I don't know what I'm gonna do.
So far, it feels really light. Kind of feels cheap-ish. Oh, it has the thing right here. I don't usually curl my hair, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm gonna just try like one piece right now.
You look pretty.
Oh, thank you. It has different temps. So after you turn it on, then you just press it again until you get to the one that you want. So we're just gonna wait till it gets hot. It smells so good. It's kind of hot already. That's pretty fast. Okay, now the light is solid. Am I supposed to turn it all the way around? This is really weird. I don't know. Oh, that's cool. That's actually really pretty. I like that. Let's do a few more. I'm just gonna start in the back, which is where I would normally start. Eli grabbed one of my butterflies. Now Eli's hair is out of the way. So I'm just twisting it around.
How do you light down your hair? That's so hot.
That didn't really come out the way I wanted it to. Almost got my ear.
Oh no.
It's not easy to use.
What?
Oh, shoot. I don't think I'm that dumb at using it.
You're not dumb.
What do I do? Do I count? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
20 minutes.
Ow, fuck, my ear.
My mommy got hurt.
I don't know, man. It smells like it's burning my hair.
Let me smell.
Oh, you know what, guys? I'm doing a better job of this on the other side. That actually worked really fast. Fuck. What the fuck?
Why are you saying bad words in front of the kids?
Are you guys kids?
In front of the people.
I cannot get it on this side.
I don't want to kill it.
I'm frustrated.
Don't give up.
It's gotta be my hair. I don't know. I can't freaking figure it out. Whatever. I give up. I don't like it. Don't buy it. So disappointed. Bye.
Bye.
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit that subscribe.